morning, class. So before we have our class for today, let's have our prayer first. Okay, Miss Ethel, please lead the prayer.
Amen.
Amen. So once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So before you take your seats, can you pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs and kindly arrange your chairs properly and organize yourselves? Okay, very good. You may now take your seats. So before we proceed to our proper discussion for today, so let's check your attendance first. So as I called your name, say present. Like Taguay?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Since there's no absent for today, so clap 3 times for yourselves. Very good. Before anything else, so let's have our classroom rules first. So this is our classroom rules. And I want you to read this one.
Keep quiet.
What about this one?
Listen carefully.
And what about this one?
Sit properly.
Okay, so before we proceed to our proper discussion, let's have our review first. So, can you still remember about what we have discussed last time?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is all about Regina?
The reality and fantasy, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And what is the difference between reality and fantasy? Yes? Marianne?
Reality, ma'am, is happen in real life and fantasy is a imagination.
Okay, that's great. So since every one of you, before we start our proper discussion, let's have a game first. So do you want a game?
Yes,
Yeah, that's very good. So this game is called Guess Me. So I'll be showing you pictures, and what you're going to do is guess the picture or what is the title of the story or the movie. This one.
Three puppies.
Very good. Keep quiet, class. Remember our classroom rules? Yes, Laika?
3 little pigs, teacher.
3 little pigs. So let's see if it is the 3 little pigs. So the answer is
Yay!
very good. Laika, clap 3 times for Laika. The second one. Tanglad? Do you think it's tanglad?
No!
No? Yes, Rinali?
It is a Barbie.
Barbie, let's see if it is Barbie or tanglad. So let's clarify. The answer is Barbie. So Rinalyn is correct. So clap 3 times for Rinalyn. Very good. So I will be asking you some questions. First, based on our game, what have you observed in the picture provided? Yes, Marianne?
It's seen in TV.
It's seen in TV. So do you think it's seen in TV?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. But also it can be read in a book or story. And the second one is, what is the most story that is common for you? Yes, Renali.
Barbie, ma'am.
Barbie. Why do you like Barbie?
Because Barbie is so pretty.
Yes, Barbie is so pretty. Favorite hero and what behavior or attitude they show? Yes, Regina.
Si Kuan, ma'am. Si Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. So why do you think it is Spider-Man? What attitude they have?
Bulupan na siya, ma'am. Maglawa-lawa siya, ma'am.
Okay, Spider-Man is helpful. Very good. So, and before we proceed to our topic, I want you to read and analyze the story. So this story is entitled Miracle Lunch. So,
Magic.
Sarah, a grade 4 student, like you, my students, often went to school without lunch. Her family struggled financially.
Oh.
Wow! Based on the story that we read, how do you think Sarah felt when Emily shared her sandwich? Yes, like that?
She is happy.
She is happy because Emily gives her sandwich to Sarah. And what values did Sarah possess? Do you think these are important in our daily lives? Why or why not? Yes, Laika, again?
Sarah possesses a value that is helpful. This is important in our lives as we help other people.
Thank you, Laika. Very good. So all of your answers have a connection with our topic for today. But before we proceed to our proper topic, let's have our objective first. So here's our objectives. So please everyone read.
At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to analyze the story in terms of its elements, construct a short story using the basic elements of
So our topic for today is all about story. So please everyone read.
story is a narrative that tells about something that happens or existed.
So if it talks about story, it's about something that happens or existed or either your imagination. Like for example, the three little pigs. Do you think that pigs in real life can speak?
No!
No! But the author made the pigs to talk to create a
Story!
story. Very good. Regina, please give me one example of story.
Cinderella.
Cinderella. So Regina, what behavior does Cinderella have?
Helpful, ma'am.
Helpful. Very good. Cinderella is helpful, and that is one of the example of
A story!
very good. And there are many types of story. So the first element is called first, a person or animal who takes part in the action in story. So give me one example of the story that has character. Yes, Rinalyn?
Frozen, ma'am!
Frozen. So who is the character in Frozen? Yes, Laika.
Anna and Elsa.
Yes, Anna and Elsa. Yes,
Olaf!
yes, Olaf. So all of your examples are example of
Character!
as a
Person!
So give me one example that character by animal. Yes, Laika.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. So what character does Peppa Pig?
She is a pig.
She is a pig.
Go.
So again, a character in the story can be a person or
Animals.
Yes, very good. And the second element of story is
Setting.
So please everyone read.
Is the time and place wherein the story happens.
So like for example, the Cinderella movie. Regina, like what have you said Cinderella movie? So where does Cinderella happen? House. House?
In the castle, ma'am!
That's very good in the castle because Cinderella is a princess. Very good class. So, Cindy, it is where is that time and place happen in the story? And the third element of the story is about
Plot!
Everyone read.
About what happened in the story.
So, in the example of Frozen, so what is the plot in the story? Yes, Rinalyn?
Anna and Elsa became an enemy.
So they become enemy. What else? Yes, Laika?
In the end, they become friend again.
Yes, very good. They truly see the Frozen. And that is all about.
Go.
And the fourth element of the story is all about
Conflict!
the problem of this story. So, may I know what is the problem of the Frozen? Yes, Rinalyn? Okay, very good. What about you, Marian?
They became enemy.
Yes, they became enemy. So, the problem of the story and the Frozen is they became enemy. Anna and Elsa is a sister. But they became
Enemy!
very good. You're fond of Frozen.
Yes, teacher! I like all
And the fifth one is we have the elements of
Resolution!
What is resolution?
Refers to how the problem was solved by the characters and story.
Resolution is about solving the problem. So again, what is the problem in the story of Frozen?
They became enemy.
They became enemy and how they solved the problem by the character.
They became friends, but because they are still sisters.
Yes, very good. So each story has a conflict but has also a
Resolution!
very good class. And that is all about our discussion for today. So do you have any questions?
No, ma'am!
No. So since now, let's have our divide you into 3 groups. So this will be the group 1, the group 2, and group 3. And what you're going to do is read and analyze this story about entitled The
Lost Kitten.
And what you're going to do with your groupmates is continue the Lost Kitten and what could be your ending in this story. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom.
And we have also the rubrics. Go to your group. Are you all done?
Yes, Mom.
Do you want another activity?
Yes, Mom.
Yes, so we have another activity. Our story entitled Milo the Turtle. So read and analyze the story and answer the question below. So there's the story. Milo was a small turtle who lived in a quiet pond near a big green forest. He loved playing with his friends, Lana, the dragonfly, and Beanie the frog. But unlike his friends, Milo was afraid of trying new things. Since all of you already understand and I test your understanding, so let's have our another activity. So the direction is create a story with the use of basic elements of the story in your one whole sheet of paper or in your English notebook. So here's the rubric provided. Criteria, creativity and originality. Second, organization and structure. Do you have any question, class?
No, Mom.
So since none, so I will be the one asking you a question. So the question is, what is the three basic elements of the story?
Character, setting, and plot.
And plot. So how can you say that each story has its character? Yes, Regina? Okay, very good. Thank you. So what is setting? Yes, Laika? Okay, very good. Thank you. So what about the plot? Yes, Renalyn? Okay, very good. Thank you. So stories also include what? Yes, Laika? Okay, very good. So, since you understand our discussion for today, so give your paper and answer this question. Are you all done?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. So, before we end our discussion or this class discussion, so let's have our assignment first. So, the direction is watch or read the movie entitled The Leon and the Mouse. And in your paper, write your realization or the moral of the story.
Masay pasa, Ma'am.
Tomorrow. You'll pass that tomorrow.
Asa yung sulat, Mom?
Again, in a one-half sheet of paper. So, any question?
None, Ma'am.
None. Okay, so everybody stand up.